stop playing with him.
vixen in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm vixen. Today I'm gonna be doing a quick hairstyling video. I have this vixen wig. It was super cheap, very affordable. I got it in these two little parts right now. Okay, so I'm gonna first start off with some bobby pins. I told you guys I already have my hair sectioned and parted, and I'm gonna just clip them together like it's a little braided halo. I do have a full tutorial, a full review on this wig, so I'll link it in the card. Be sure to check it out. I really like saying that, it's so much fun. So this is the first one.
Yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the dark.
This would be a good one for prom. Prom's around the corner, guys. Like you could do a better job at making decorations. Like you could do some X's with your bobby pins or something, you know? To give it a little bit of extra spadazzle. Take out the braids. Still got a few bobby pins in the hair. Okay, we're gonna just keep the perimeter of the face down. These hairstyles are gonna require a lot of the bangs to be down, only because I'm not trying to lay baby hairs or nothing like that. Lazy girl hairdo. I know you feel me. Once I've got that there, I'm gonna just take a chunk, wrap it around my hair. School? Or no? Is this too much for school? Like, girl, you're doing a lot, but I'm cute, you know? This is almost a vibe. It's like, girl, you look cute.
Candles are lit, lights are down, playing Cody Simpson, running your
So from here, and almost like put it in a low ponytail. This one is going to require, you could slick your edges down. You could really slick your edges down, or you can just let this water fall over. For now, we're gonna just let it water fall over. And it just looks more like a high ponytail. Could really slip it behind your ear if you're feeling a little self-conscious. But yeah, this is just easy, you know, perfect for if you play sports or something. If your edges were a bit slicked down, feel like I look like what I know. Yeah, this is practical. This is everyday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick hairstyle video. I just wanted to show you guys a few quick hairstyles for the lazy girls who don't want to slick their baby hairs down. I feel you, because I don't either. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I don't asking questions, I'm just